and fabulous specialists can teach subjects like demolition and can function similarly to demolition specialists. He is the leader during demolition operations. He is equipped with binoculars, not blue, and armed with powerful assault weapons. The heavy weapons specialist. The heavy weapons specialist is the assistant of the operation soldier to command the preparation of the ground defense plan for the German government. He plans and conducts training in practical security of the team. He can teach subjects such as marksmanship, assembly and disassembly of different weapons, and care and maintenance of the government-issued firearms. He is equipped with night vision goggles, snap link, and armed with infantry automatic weapon. The light weapons specialist. The light weapons specialist is the heavy weapons specialist. He is responsible for the preparation of cross-loading plan ammunitions and other weapons repair equipment. He is equipped with snap link and armed with infantry automatic. The medical specialist. The medical specialist is responsible for the preparation of personal estimates, sign-offs, medical and dental reports to the team. He is capable of performing minor surgery. He ensures that each member is in excellent physical condition and provides training in combat life-saving and hygiene and sanitation. He is the design master and animal welfare specialist of the team. He is equipped with a medical kit and armed with powerful assault rifle attached to the launcher. The assistant medical specialist. The assistant medical specialist functions similarly to the medical specialist. He is responsible for administering and preparing the medical and dental requirements of the team. He is equipped with a medical kit and armed with all four assault rifles. The communication specialist. The communication specialist prepares the communication and signal plans for the team. He trains the team members and leads forces on expedient communication methods such as installation of expedient antenna, message writing, and continuous wave operation. He is equipped with Harris 5800 impact radio and armed with all four assault rifles. The assistant communication specialist. The assistant communication specialist is the primary radio operator of the team. He can teach subjects such as radio telephone procedures, silent signals, and other communication systems. He is responsible for the repair and maintenance of all communication equipment of the team. He is equipped with Harris 5800 handheld radio and armed with M16E3. The Special Forces team is a unit composed of personnel who have their respective skills in the defined fields of specialization. These skills are operations and intelligence, demolitions and sabotage, weapons, field medical services, and signal communication. For operational purposes,
tulungan nyo ngayon. Tulungan nyo. Kapit nyo. Kapit nyo. Kapit nyo. Tulungan nyo. Kapit nyo.
the Special Forces team can be subdivided into three
Kapit nyo nga. Parang hindi kayo naniwala sa akin ah.
These teams can supplement and complement each other. They
Doon sa taas.
demonstrate a plan. Clear and water. Each member is cross-trained on the
Tanggalin mo na lang. Tanggalin.
enhance
Tanggalin mo na lang.
This special forces center has the inherent brave men. Special Forces soldiers refer to themselves as the silent professionals. To our guests, the Special Forces Week, the Soldier's Soldier.